is the rhesus negative blood type an everlasting mark of the space hominoids which the occult P.5 royalty treasure as a sign of alien origin. Occult Nazi scientists were propagating theories about bloodline purity for decades. German doctors Hirschfeld and Emil von Dungern developed the blood type groupings A, B, AB and O that are still in use today. Our H-negative blood carriers are found in less than 15% of the UK population. A fetus with our H-positive blood inherited from the father is toxic to its mother if she is our H-negative. Was the Rh-negative blood group inherited from being not compatible with Earth's alien blood hominid blood types, resulting in the Rh-negative Bs-positive problem we have to this very day? Many doctors believe the answer is more likely to be genetic mutation rather than alien intervention. Our supposed ancient human space ancestor species is also known as aquatic apes who once lived on watery islands on moon Ganymede. They were perfectly suited to the warm water-based life on Ganymede. To this day, humans enjoy warm water and soft solar light, and these were both found on ancient Ganymede. By contrast, Earth's oceans range from cold to freezing, whilst the sun's light is harsh and bright, with temperatures frequently exceeding 33 degrees in many parts of the world, creating a difficult climate for human beings. Could the Ganymede warm water planet theory explain why so many women report a birthing more pleasant experience when giving birth in warm water? What was once regarded as a fringe idea is now becoming a common practice in many countries. Babies naturally delight in the experience of warm water. The name Ganymede comes from an ancient Greek myth and means cupbearer of the gods like Aquarius. In the myth, God Zeus, who transformed himself into an eagle, carried Ganymedes, a Trojan prince, up into the sky, where Ganymedes became the Aquarius constellation, the cup water bearer constellation. Just as in ancient Greece, where Zeus was depicted as an eagle, the ancient Romans associated their god Jupiter, the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Zeus, with an eagle too. The eagle has been an important symbol for many occult-linked groups, including the ancient Romans, the Nazis, and NASA. Do the occult quietly honor their original home Ganymede through symbols such as the eagle? After all, the moon Ganymede circles the planet Jupiter. Will speculation that humanity originated on Ganymede be confirmed during the age of Aquarius? A NASA mission to Ganymede is expected to report back to Earth by 2033. We will discuss the occult origins of NASA on a later video. Human beings are the only primate species that can swim and speak. No ape, bonobo, or chimpanzee, no matter how well they are taught, can speak. Speech is a consequence of our ability to hold our breath underwater whilst swimming. This would have been a necessary skill to survive in the watery warm oceans Ganymede. Dolphins, too, have this unique ability to hold their breath whilst swimming underwater. Therefore, according to the Ganymede theory, whilst it is tempting to show a link between humans and apes, bonobos and chimpanzees, our greatest difference, our ability to swim and speak, may be better explained by the unique habitat on Ganymede than some evolutionary process here on Earth. The Saturnian, southern solar system containing our Earth, gradually spiraled up towards the Jovian, northern solar system, with each spiral of the Saturnian system estimated to take 100,000 years. See illustrations above. The two systems came closer and closer together. Each time the two systems converged, the advanced civilization on Ganymede launched missions to Earth, which they had identified as the only other habitable planet. Thus, waves of new settlers from Ganymede settled on Earth each time the two systems spiraled closer together. Ancient Earth enjoyed light and heat from Saturn, the dwarf star that was quite capable of releasing energy. Encased in Saturn's magnetosphere, Earth was bathed in a dull purple light. Hence the need for large eyes to see in this purple haze. Strong muscles were also needed to overcome Earth's original heavy gravity. Earth's hominoids, or the Neanderthals, apes, bonobos, and chimps were much better adapted to this unique Saturnian Earth environment than any human could be. Eventually, the two solar systems collided and merged into one system, creating our present solar system. Anticipating a potential catastrophe for settlements on moon Ganymede as its host planet Jupiter moved further from the Sun and caused Ganymede's oceans to freeze, a final mission was sent to Earth over 14,000 years ago. The Great Collision was now observed from Earth by the Ganymede colonialists. When the two systems converged or collided, the original home of our human species on Ganymede was no longer habitable. Earth, however, escaped total destruction, although it did not emerge unscathed. Great forces created from the two systems' collision caused enormous upheaval on Earth. Great floods covered our planet. Was this the time of the Great Flood myth found in many ancient cultures? Great earthquakes and volcanic eruptions were also likely to have occurred. Ganymede settlers on Earth just managed to survive the catastrophe. With their advanced settlements on Earth destroyed, human life became one of primitive survival. The Ganymede settlers went from being highly advanced space travelers to primitive hunter-gatherers on Earth. In time, only a faint memory of the great floods and the cosmic collision remained. With each generation, the stories of this event became intertwined with ever greater myths, until all that remained after thousands of years were legends. The facts concerning the great cosmic event were lost to history. However, the same stories of Saturn being displaced by the Sun or Jupiter can be found in so many distant civilizations, it aroused the curiosity of some, who began to investigate the formation of our solar system with these great myths.